Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for 6th April 2021. So this analysis is for 6th April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 7th April. I bring videos on daily basis and in advance so that you get to miss ahead of the market and you do not make any silly mistakes. Anyways, if you're watching my videos for the first time, please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Euro USD. As we all know, Euro USD is in downtrend for last couple of weeks, and whenever market is in downtrend, so it becomes very easy for us to trade because it's a sell on rise market. When a market will be going up, just sell at the proper spot and it's easy to make money. So till last week, market was in downtrend, and 50 moving average we can see that was acting as a resistance for the market. Okay, see here. Okay, 50 moving average was the valid resistance for the market till last week. So new week has started. Let's see how the next week will roll on for Euro USD. So this is the overall chart of Euro USD for the last 2-3 months, and you can see that market was in kind of sideways, and after that market started falling from this particular point, and after that market did not go up. Market, more or less, market was trading below the 50 moving average for the last 2 months. So market was in downtrend. Market was taking support at the 50 moving average, and we got plenty of opportunities to short the market and make some money. But today the market has changed a little bit. The game has changed. Okay, let me show you. Right now you can see that after hitting the 50 moving average, okay, after hitting the 50 moving average, market is not coming down. Instead, market made a big fat green candle. Just look at the size of this candle. Market has made a bullish engulfing candle, which means that, or which is a clear indication that unlike the previous week or other weeks, bulls have joined the party again. Bulls are present in the market and they are trying their best to take the market upward. Okay, this is the present scenario of the market, and if you remember correctly, okay, this is the weekly chart of Euro USD. Remember, I told you that Euro USD is just trading at the support. Okay, there is a good support available at 1.1710. Okay, and after the today's candle, this candle, okay, we can see that market has 50 moving average has just moved upward and market is just standing at the support. Therefore market is getting support from the 50 moving average, and it is very risky to short the market. If you short the market, then there is a big chance that you will be losing money, because 50 moving average is a valid resistance for the market. We can see that previous week also market tried to go down, but 50 moving average provided the required support to the market, and as a result market formed a hammer pattern previous week. And apart from the 50 moving average, okay, apart from the 50 moving average, market has also support from the pivot. Just look at this line. Okay, so market has got double support at this level. Therefore this level or this support is very crucial for the market. If you go against this support, there's a high chance, a high probability that you will be losing money. Yes, this kind of supports are not visible in our usual chart because we hardly go for multi-time analysis. Uh, but we all know that big players like the banks and the hedge funds, they trade on the higher time frame, and we cannot ignore the higher time frame. If you want to make money, you must follow the higher time frame. Okay, so one thing is very clear to us, that market is taking support at the 50 moving average, and yes, market has got twin support, double support at this level. So shorting the market opportunity is gone now. Yes, market was in downtrend. Okay, undoubtedly market was in downtrend. We should always stay with the trend, but market has got memory, price has got memory, and right now we are standing at this support. Okay, therefore, though market is in downtrend, but this is not the ideal position to short the market because the big players are providing support to the market. So what should be a strategy then? Okay, you have got the picture right now. Okay, what should be a strategy then? The strategy is this. You can see that I have drawn two lines here on the chart right now. As long as market is in this range, okay, 1.1710 and as this support, okay, and 1.1780 on the upside or as it is, as long as market is trading between this range, this is our no trading zone. This is our no trading zone because we have already seen that 50 moving average is providing the required support to the market in the weekly time frame. Okay, therefore the situation is very serious right now. So therefore stay away from trading in this particular range right now, because if this is your hard-earned money and if this is the capital that you cannot afford to lose, then you should not be making silly mistakes like this. Yes, you need to wait. Okay, you need to wait for some time, but trading is all about waiting for the correct opportunity and the correct entry. Therefore, what you should do then? Okay, you just wait for the market to wait cross this particular level. Okay, when market will be crossing this particular level, uh, 1.1780 level, just observe the price. Okay, let the market trade above this level. Okay, let the market trade above this level. Let the market feel comfortable. Okay, when market will be trading above this level for at least 4 to 5 hours, just observe the price and see how the price is doing. If you see the price is trading comfortably, price is not struggling above this level, then the resistance has become the support now, and you can go for a buy above this level. Okay, so you can see that the whole picture has changed because of the weekly chart. So this is the multi-time frame analysis, and multi-time frame analysis is very powerful and very important to make consistently money from the market. Yes, there are certain things happen in the market that we do not have the answer in charts like this, but in higher time frame we always get the answer. Okay, so therefore stay away from the market. Okay, because this is your no trading zone right now. Okay, let the market cross this level. Okay, let the market cross this level, then observe the price. If you see that price is doing great, resistance has become the support, then go for the buy. Otherwise wait and wait, because patience is the main key in trading. Okay, and in case you see that somehow market has crossed this level, okay, 1.17 06 level, this particular level, then you do not need to trade. Do not short the market right away, because market has got critical support at this level. So if you short the market below this level, then it will be a big risk for you. There is a high chance that your trade will go against you. Okay, so wait for the market to cross this level, then only we will go for a buy order if market supports us. Okay, until and unless, just wait for the market and observe. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. And if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow again, and do subscribe. Bye bye.